Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can crop a picture in a circle in PowerPoint. So the first step you simply need to do is to open PowerPoint and go into the insert and click on pictures, click on this device, and now you need to insert a picture. So I'm going to insert from downloads. This is the picture. Make it a little bit smaller. Okay. Then you simply need to click here crop, and first you need to crop that image. So select from here and crop like this. So once you crop, the next step you simply need to do is to click here again, and here you need to select the aspect ratio. So 1:1 is the I want. Okay, then you need to click on crop again and click on crop to shape, and from here you need to select the oval. So here you can see the final result. So this is the process how you can crop a picture in a circle in PowerPoint. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.